Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we talk about all things health and wellness. Today, we re-diving into a topic that's often discussed but rarely understood in detail. What should you do right after being intimate? Specifically, we're looking at the common belief that you should pee immediately after sex. While this might be good advice for some, it could actually be harmful for others. Let's get into the specifics. Many of us have heard the advice: urinate right after intercourse to flush out bacteria and prevent infections. It sounds logical, right? It's often recommended as a key step in post-intimacy hygiene. For women, this is generally solid advice. Gynecologists often encourage women to urinate about 5 to 10 minutes after sex. Why? The female urethra is relatively short and straight, which makes it easier for bacteria to travel from the vaginal area into the urinary tract. Urinating acts as a natural rinsing mechanism, helping to wash away any potential bacteria and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, or UT. It's a simple, effective preventative measure, especially for those prone to recurrent UT. However, even for women, there's no need to rush. Waiting a few minutes for your body to relax is perfectly fine. But here's where it gets interesting and crucial for men. For men, rushing to the bathroom immediately after sex might not be the best idea. In fact, it could potentially harm the prostate. Let's break down the science behind this. Male anatomy is quite different. The male urinary tract is much longer and has a distinct curve. It also passes directly through the prostate gland. Immediately after intercourse, the penis is still congested and may not be completely flaccid. During this time, the urinary tract and the prostate are in a state of contraction. So what happens if you try to urinate in this state, when you force urination while these internal structures are still contracted? The pressure in the urethra increases significantly. This high-pressure stream of urine can have an unintended consequence. Instead of just flowing out, it can cause a backflow. This means that urine, along with any bacteria or waste it contains, could be pushed back into the tiny ducts of the prostate gland. This creates an ideal environment for inflammation and infection to develop, a condition known as prostatitis. You might be thinking, is this really a significant risk? Well, the evidence suggests it's something to take seriously. A study published in the prestigious Journal of Urology found a noteworthy connection. The research indicated that men who consistently urinate too soon after intercourse had a 1.5 times higher risk of developing prostatitis compared to men who waited for a while. That's a significant increase in risk from a seemingly harmless habit. Prostatitis isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can cause discomfort, pain, and other urinary issues. Over the long term, chronic prostate inflammation can negatively impact reproductive health and may even lead to a decrease in sexual desire. It's a classic example of how a well-intentioned action can inadvertently become a double-edged sword for men's health. So, what is the expert recommendation? What's the ideal waiting time? For men, health experts suggest waiting at least 20 to 30 minutes after intercourse before urinating. This waiting period allows the body to return to its normal, relaxed state. The congestion in the penis subsides, and the prostate and urinary tract relax and expand. This ensures that when you do urinate, the flow is normal and at a lower pressure, significantly reducing the risk of any backflow into the prostate. During that waiting period, if you feel the need to clean up, gently cleansing the external area with warm water is a perfectly safe and effective option. There's no need to force anything internally. Let's recap the key takeaways for both men and women, because good habits are important for everyone. For women, urinating 5 to 10 minutes after intimacy is a great way to help prevent urinary tract infections. It's a proactive step for your urinary health. However, it's also important not to overdo it with aggressive cleaning. Using harsh soaps or douching can disrupt the natural balance of the vaginal environment, potentially leading to other issues. Gentle external cleansing is always the best approach. For men, the golden rule is patience. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before heading to the bathroom. Let your body settle down naturally. This simple change in your post-intimacy routine can go a long way in protecting your prostate health for years to come. Think of it as a small investment in your long-term well-being. And for everyone, regardless of gender, there are a few universal principles for maintaining good sexual and urinary health. First, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your urinary system flushed and functioning optimally. Second, always practice good personal hygiene. This doesn't mean being aggressive with cleaning products, but rather maintaining a consistent and gentle routine. And finally, perhaps most importantly, listen to your body and don't ignore symptoms. If you experience any pain, discomfort, or unusual symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Regular health checkups are also a fantastic way to proactively manage your health and catch any potential issues early on. Sexual health is an integral part of our overall well-being, and understanding these nuances can make a huge difference. It's not just about what happens during intimacy, but also about the simple, smart choices we make afterward. By being informed, we can all take better care of ourselves and our partners. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this information helpful and clarifying. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.